Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share my baby's books collections with you all. If in case you haven't seen my part 1 video on books and toddlers, then please do check out, link is in the description box. And if you are a parent who wants to know like when to introduce books to babies, what kind of books to introduce, how to introduce, then all your questions are actually answered in part 1 video. So please do check out. Now in this video, let's see my baby's books collection. I'm going to show each and every book to you all so that you will get an idea like what kind of books you can buy, and also I'm going to give you some tips on how to select books for your babies. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Begin with flashcards first. So flashcards are really helpful. You can introduce flashcards to your babies right from very young age, like even if they are 10 months old you can introduce, because it will help your babies to recognize colors and pictures on flashcards. And this is alphabet flashcards. Similarly you have vehicles, flowers, fruits, vegetables, animals flashcards, etc. In this flashcards you get even puzzles, so it's really helpful if your baby grows up. And these flashcards are easily available in Amazon or in FirstCry, and it is price value for somewhere around 150 to 200 rupees, which is like affordable. But there is one disadvantage of using this flashcards. If you introduce at a very early age, then it's good, because when I introduced these flashcards to my baby, he was 20 months old, and he literally used to just crush this flashcard. He used to tear it apart, or he used to fold this, and there were many cards which actually got damaged, something like this. If you give these kind of flashcards, then there are high possibilities that cards will definitely get missed, because you have a grown-up toddler. Obviously probably when your baby is 10 months old or 15 months old, you can introduce flashcards. Then the second thing which you can introduce to your babies is board books. So there are pocket size board books available. I have these two pocket size board books. This is for 65 to 70 rupees each. And here I have fruits and animals board book. This is how it looks like. This is friendly to use and it's pocket size, so obviously it is like very easy to carry wherever you go. So you can carry this to your baby's hospital visit, because it's easy to carry it in your diaper bag. You can also use this as a bath book. If you don't want pocket books, you can also get bigger size board books, something like this. Okay, so I have these two board books for him. One is alphabet and one is the other one is nursery rhymes. And you also have so many books available in this brand. This is Navneet brand. I think this is for 75 rupees each. The baby will definitely enjoy these kind of board books, and it is like lightweight too, easy to carry, easy for your baby to hold. So board books is something which is a must in your baby's books collections. Then the next thing which I would recommend you guys is this pop-up book. This is actually a handy book, but it is a book full of fun. This book is really nice. It keeps your kids entertained, and there is no sort of learning in this, but yeah, it keeps your kids entertained. Like whenever my baby used to cry, I used to just open this book and show it to him. Oops. I just used to open this book and I used to show this to him, and he really loves it. And one disadvantage about this particular pop-up book is that obviously kids will not keep quiet. They'll try to pull apart the pages, or they'll try to pull the pop-up pictures. So yeah, it will not come for a very longer time, but this is also a must try for your babies, just to keep them entertained. This is how it looks. Almost all the pages are torn, so I'm just showing you one page. This is how it pops up. So when you open, it is how it looks. Okay, few pages are damaged, so I'm just showing you the ones which are in good condition. See, got my baby's books on Facebook pages. There are several pages on Facebook who sell pre-loved or pre-owned books. They are the books which are already used by kids, and they are basically second-hand books in our language. So there is nothing wrong to get second-hand books, because you know, kids using new books is actually a huge task, because you know, kids will definitely spoil the books and it will not be in a very good condition. But if you get something in second hand, then obviously advantage is that the price will be less. You'll get it for half the rate and you'll get different varieties of books. So I used to get these kind of pre-loved books, but trust me guys, whatever books I got from those pages, all were in good condition. They were the less used books, and if in case you know, there is any damage or something in that particular book, they used to inform you in prior, so that you can be mentally prepared. Chalo, if you want to get that book, you can get, or else if you don't want, then you can just leave that book and move on to the next. So they are very honest with you all, just because it's a pre-loved books. So I would definitely suggest you to buy these kind of books. You will get international books, you will get different varieties when you get from them. You will get you know, the books which you have not seen in Indian market. And yeah, must try guys, please trust me. All the books, all the international books like pre-loved and pre-owned books are really amazing. The next book, which is a must-have book in every baby's books collection, is Touch and Feel books. This is the book which I have for my boy. This is a big, huge board book, and this is like very, very thick. This is my favorite book and my boy's favorite too. Not only our favorite, whoever visits our home used to love this book. They used to play with this book, and it is such a lovely book that I would love to recommend this to you all. So this book I got from auction from FB page, and luckily I happened to get this book, and trust me guys, this is valid for 250 rupees. So let me open it and show it to you guys. This is how it looks. Can you see the thickness of the page? Perfect board book. This has different textures, like this is velvety, and you know, this is like shiny one. Here this is like you know, somewhat hard, a glittery one, and like you can also call it, this is hard one. Here you can, if you touch it, is like a velcro kind of feel. This is a soft one. This is again you know, glittery one, and this is something very shiny and smooth. Something, you have different patterns here, you have different textures. This is the best way to teach your kids about the sensory feel, and it also becomes a sensory activity for your kids. Touch and feel sensory activity for your kids through books. And see how it is. You can easily you know, tell your kids to touch and see. They'll for sure, they'll definitely learn the various textures, patterns, etc. I just love this book. Just see, just look at this, look at the material, different and soft, very colorful, very helpful. My boy loves this book. I'm going to insert clip. Please do watch and enjoy. Zohan, Dino, how do you touch it? Very good. Let's open the book. Wow. Wow. Yes. Are you enjoying? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's turn. Let's turn. Let's turn. Let's turn. Let's turn. Okay. Wow, Zohan. Zohan, where is? Zohan, where is Dino's brain? Wow. Yes. Ding, 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 ding. What is this? Let's turn. This is velvety touch. Let's turn. Let's turn. Wow. Where is Dino's egg? Yes. Yes. Then the next thing which he uses is this kind of board books. basically this is something very attractive board book, and based on your baby's interest you can select anything which he likes.
Zohan, where is red bus? Okay, show me yellow bus. Okay, where is blue bus? Blue bus. Very good. Where is double decker bus? Very good. Next, where is school bus? School bus. Very good. Where is bus stop? Very good. Next.
And this is how the sound books looks like. This is also a must try books, because this will attract your babies towards book, just because of the song which will play from this book. This is a sound book basically. Here I have this head, shoulders, knees and toes book. This is again a nursery rhyme. When you click or when you press this button, the nursery rhyme will start playing. Let me show you. I got this book only for 200 rupees or so. Sound books are like, you know, really affordable when you get them in second hand. That is, when you get a pre-loved book, it's really affordable. And the best part is they have you know, a battery inserting section here. You can very well replace batteries of this book and use it n number of time. You can, you know, also give this to someone. This is another sound book which he has. He is also fond of cars, not very much fond, but he likes cars, and this is a must book for all the car lovers. Then I also have this book. This is again a sound book, but a different kind of sound book. So here this is a wild zoo celebrity book. This is again from Disney. Here there are options, and when you click on one particular animal, it will start you know, playing its sound. This is something which is like helpful for parents who are going to start potty training for their kids. I did not want to miss this book. I'm sure like I'm going to potty train my boy in few days, but I am not sure. I was not sure like whether I'll be getting those books in that period of time or not. So just for the safer side, I got this book some 2-3 months back. This is a potty training book. Again, it has an option to press. It has an option to you know, press and enjoy the sound. It also has an option to change the battery. And the best part about this book is it comes for boys and also for girls. For girls it's different, and for boys it's different. He has already used this book so much that, you know, I think it's time for me to change the batteries. So this is how it plays, and as you can see, this book is like really colorful, and it has different varieties of potty seats. And my boy, he actually has this kind of potty seat. Okay, so he used to relate. He used to tell me, he used to point at this particular potty seat, and he shows me the potty seat which he has, and also, you know, he used to go and sit on the potty seat, something like this. Just because of this book, he is learning what it is and how it is and where to use this. So it's like really nice, and it really helps you to train your kids for potty training. Beautiful, colorful books to teach colors to your babies. This is not about teaching, right? They'll just automatically learn when they turn the pages of the book. See, this is something very colorful, and basically this is colors by the sea. See how he has scribbled. This is what he does. And yeah, I used to just, you know, let him enjoy books, and I used to ask him questions also, like Zohan, tell me, where is sun? He used to point at this. Yeah, I used to ask him like you know, where is blue color? He used to point at something which is blue. And you know, I used to ask him like, where is crab? He used to point out crab. So this is something, you know, which babies enjoys, and also automatically a kind of learning for them. Few few days back, my boy was so much into this Lion King and Disney series that he used to watch Jungle Book, and he used to watch Lion King as well. So I thought like I would introduce Lion King and Jungle Book in the form of book, so that he would relate like what it is in real life, like what it is in TV, and what it is in books. So I got this Lion King book for him. I got this only for 40 rupees. He used to just relate, and I am not that happy with this book because its pages are too thin, and as the price is, so are the pages. So it's really thin, and the boy used to tear it apart, but he really relates this lion and Simba and the characters of this Lion King with the characters which he sees in television. So whenever a Lion King plays on TV, he used to quickly run towards his books rack, and he used to pick this Lion King book, which I'm really happy about. If you feel that your baby is getting attracted to a particular character from the rhymes or from the kids series, then it is always a good idea to introduce that particular character through books as well, so that they can relate and learn quickly. They'll start they'll start to observe things really quick, and this will really help them to improve their memory power, and it will also help them to improve their imagination skills. He just loves cats. He loves cats like anything. That he has started calling cats as mama. He doesn't call me as mama, but he calls cats as mama. So cats ka book to banta hi hai. So I got this book for him. We Are Not Sleepy bolke, it's the book's name. This is such a lovely book that more than my boy, I have started falling in love with this book. Not only because it has colorful pictures on it, but the concept itself is really great. Let me tell you what the concept is. So this is basically a book to teach countings to your kids. You can you can simply teach missing things. If your toddler has grown up, then you can simply teach what is missing, where it's missing, etc, etc. This is such a lovely book. You can use this as a nap book too. Now I'll tell you what's exactly given in this book. You'll definitely love it. So this is basically a big farm where there are so many farm animals around, and there is one mother cat and there are 3 kittens. So it's a bedtime, and these kittens used to tell their mom like they are not sleepy. So what mom does is she gives a task for her kittens. She used to she tells that go to the farm and find out how many sheep are there. So if you tell me the current count of sheep, then I'll reward you with something. So these 3 kittens, they used to go out and count the sheep. They found all the animals, but they did not find the sheep. As you can see, they found dog, they found cow, they found fox, they found rabbits, they found owl, they found pigs, but they did not find sheep at all. So finally they got tired and they went to bed. See, this is a very good way to let your kids count what's there in this book. Like, it was a plan of mother cat and the sheep to put her kittens back to sleep. So wherever these kittens went, sheep also went, and they were hiding somewhere, but these kittens were not able to find the sheep. Rather than sheep, they found out so many other animals, and they counted those animals also, and finally they became tired and they slept. So this is a nap time book, but a very pretty book. The concept is really lovely. I just love this book. I got this book only for 80 rupees. Can you just imagine? So yeah, it's a very good book, and definitely I'm very sure like Zohan will enjoy playing with this book when he grows up too. I mean, it will help him to count the things around. It will just help him to find out that puzzle, etc. He's definitely going to enjoy this book rather than future. Why to go to the future? He is in fact enjoying this book now itself. Just see this clip. Then the next thing which he has is this kitchen disco. This is just a colorful book. This is just to you know, keep him entertained, nothing else. Here in this book, you know, there are bananas, there are also colors, like, you know, lemon is there. Whatever things we can find in kitchen, all those things will be there, like coconut, oranges, fruits, bananas, etc, etc. And my boy loves this page. And this is a orange who poses this way, and he used to you know, pose similar way when he looks at this page. So yeah, this is again a teaching, again a learning for him. So yeah, this is also a good book. I got this for $100, I think. Again, wipe and clean books are also a good way to for kids to use. This is a sample wipe and clean book. This is a domestic animal book. You can you know, help your babies to know the animals which is there in this book. And also, even if they scribble something on this, it's like easy to erase it. So it's a wipe and clean book. And you know, usually kids have the habit of erasing and scribbling, so it's a very helpful book. I have 2 books in similar brand, and the price is 35 rupees each. Then I have this alphabet fashion show book. There is one rhyme in Cocomelon, like, you know, a teacher will teach all the nursery students about you know, their aim to become, in what they want to become in life. So basically, a nursery teacher will teach the students about the profession which they can choose when they grow up. So Zohan used to enjoy watching that rhyme, and I thought like this is the right book to introduce, because he would definitely relate. And this is a alphabet book, but a profession book. Like, see, sorry for the condition, but see, B is for banker. So he would definitely relate. C is for cinematographer. In that rhyme also, you know, they'll pretend to be something like engineer or doctor, way to let them know like what profession is. They'll simply relate this to rhymes they are watching on TV. Then I have these story books, Grandma Tales from My Story a Day. I have part 1 and part 2 books. This is a new book. This is for 45 rupees. I just got it for future use. He's not using these books right now, but you know, he's not using it for any specific purpose, but he used to play with these books. He used to call this as cat. So yeah, it's a good book to identify the animals or whatever pictures they have here. But basically this is a story book. You can read out the stories as well. One which I have is this ebook. Now you'll be surprised, like what is ebook? I was also surprised. So I got this for 500 rupees something, but not from the Facebook books page. I got this from Facebook toys page, like whoever used to sell the toys. I got it from her, and I'll make sure that I link her FB link, page link also in the description box. Please do go check that out. So this is ebook, guys, and here you have an option to change the batteries. You need batteries for this, I think 3 batteries. And here all the instructions is given. They have given you a pen. My boy loves this pen. So this is pen, and here they have buttons: on, off, question, repeat, word, spelling, volume, and music. I just love this book. The reason I'll tell you now. See, it has alphabets here, like A is for apple, B is for balloon, C is for cat, something like that. First I'll show the pages, okay? Similarly, the other alphabets are also there. And then there is a page to learn to learn the numbers and also to count. It also has this minus plus sign. I'll tell you how it works. Then the next page has the animals, and the next page has the fruits. Then this is vegetables page, and this is shapes and colors page. This is vehicle page. So these are the pages which this book has. Now I'll show you like how it works. I'm going to switch it on.
Welcome to this interesting game. You will enjoy your time here with me.
So I'm going to select word here.
Let's learn the words one by one.
It won't work unless you press this go button.
Car. Bus. Fire engine. Ambulance.
Now if you press repeat, it will repeat.
Ambulance.
Now if you press spelling, it will spell the particular thing which we are clicking on.
Let's learn the spelling of the word. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat.
If you want, you can use this pen, or else you can just simply use your fingers to play.
Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat.
Similarly, the other pages also works, camel.
Car.
Sorry.
C-A-R. Car. Camel. Let's learn the spelling of the word. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel.
So the best part about this book is that you can let your kids learn, let them enjoy the music. It will teach your kids like how a particular thing creates sound, like how an ambulance creates sound, how a car creates sound. So my boy is aware of the vehicles which creates different type of sounds, and he is also learning to recognize the sounds being created by animals. And also alphabet teaching bhi ho jayega, like you can teach the letters, you can teach the sounds, you can teach the colors, you can teach everything. And also for older kids it will be helpful to learn the spellings as well. And also this has a music option here, so if you click this music option, a few rhymes will start playing automatically. I think some 3 to 4 rhymes are there, and every time when I give this book to my boy, he used to play the rhymes, and his favorite rhymes is happy birthday song.
Welcome to this interesting game. You will enjoy your time here with me.
See?
So yeah, that's it guys. If you like my video, please do give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. See you soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz.